Welcome to our tutorial about how to create and access online appointments at the University of Houston Clear Lake Writing Center. First, visit our appointment scheduler at uhcl.mywconline.com. Then type in your UHCL username and password. If you haven't created an account yet, click Register for an account. Then be sure to select the correct semester and location. Click Login and you'll be taken to the scheduler page. On the left, you'll see Welcome and your name. You can also select a different schedule and navigate to past or future dates. Under this, you'll see the schedules. From here, you can see the dates and times along with the names of the available writing consultants. Gray means that the time has passed. Green means that the time has been taken. White means that the time is available. To make an appointment, select a white box that corresponds to a time that works best for you. At the top, you'll see the writing consultant's name. Appointments are 45 minutes in length and start on the hour, so leave your time as it is displayed. Under this, you'll see a section asking to meet online. Since you want to make an online appointment, choose Yes, Schedule Online Appointment. Note that in the case the writing consultant is online only, this is the only option that will appear. Then, fill out the remaining boxes with the requested information. At the bottom of the page, you may also choose to attach a file. Keep in mind that we will only go over your paper with you if you are actively present in the online session, as this is a collaborative process. After you're done, click Create Appointment. You will then see your appointment in blue. Shortly before your session, preferably at least 5 minutes, log in and click the blue appointment box. Your appointment information will then pop up. In the Meet Online section, click Start or Join Online Consultation. This is where your session will take place. At first, you may be prompted to choose options for using audio and visual. If you don't want to use these, just decline. On the left is the whiteboard, which describes some basics about using the program. On the right is a chat box where you and your writing consultant can chat in real time. Across the top is where you'll find similar editing tools as Word. The I with a slash means that you will be able to remove the highlighting of new text that is added. On the right are tools for drawing and printing. The next buttons allow you to upload your paper, view a time-lapse of the session's progression, receive further help with the toolbar, and save a revision to the time slider. Next to this, you can change your name and user color. To upload the document you'd like to work on, choose the icon with the 2 arrows. Browse for the file and select Import Now. You'll be prompted that doing this will clear the whiteboard. Choose OK. Keep in mind with this option that you can only upload 1 document at a time, and if you attempt to upload a second document, it will clear the whiteboard. In order to have an assignment prompt and the assignment both on the whiteboard, copy and paste your second document onto the whiteboard under your current text. At the start time of your session, you'll be greeted through the chat box. Together, you and your writing consultant will work through any questions or concerns you have. If you want to access what you discussed later, you can open your session back up at any time and see the whiteboard and chat messages as they were left.